Welcome to
Perfect Challenges
with Mom. Today we're gonna have a Coca-Cola day!
Yay!
And we're gonna make a few Coca-Cola life hacks made by 5-Minute Craft. Let's get started! Okay, first we need to put our breast in the bowl.
So we're gonna do chicken wings with Coca-Cola. Look, is it cute?
I hope this recipe is gonna be good.
Yeah, we'll try.
I've never tried to make anything with Coca-Cola.
Let's try.
Now it's time to add the Coca-Cola.
Why did you do that, Max? Why did you shake?
Now you're all wet with the
Okay.
Coca-Cola.
Let's add some Coca-Cola. I guess
I just want to drink it.
Can I have a cup?
They
I
didn't
think
say
it's,
how much to add, so we're just
We're
adding a
gonna
little
guess,
bit.
yeah. I think it's half. Let me see if is it good or do you think we
A
should?
little bit more.
So 1 cup of Coca-Cola
Okay.
and then some sauce. Let's see.
Soy sauce.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 and 2.
Look at that.
Okay, so sugar. So we use light brown sugar. Let me see.
Keep the whole
Just
bag.
No, we're not gonna. Like maybe like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna do like this. It's good,
You're gonna
right?
add too much sugar.
Okay. And then we add some garlic, like 2 cloves.
And we squeeze a lemon. It's
Okay.
so hard to squeeze. Alright, that should be enough.
Then
Mix it with a fork. Just mix everything up together.
Doesn't
And
really
then,
stick anything. I don't know how that's
I
gonna
don't know how this
work.
is gonna work. Just like mix it up. Really mix it up. Make sure all that stuff gets combined. Now I think we should mix everything together with our hands. Get everything coated. And then we're gonna put it on our tray.
Okay.
Like, smell this. It smells like Coca-Cola.
Okay. Let's put some
I've never seen chicken.
wings with Coca-Cola, right?
Yes, this is my first time.
You're gonna
I hope this
taste.
is gonna be good. Look at
So
that.
let's
We
put
put this
some-
on a wire rack.
And let's add some. Maybe.
Look at that. And they didn't say how long we have to cook, so we're just gonna cook for a little bit.
Okay, so we're gonna preheat oven for 25.
And bake for maybe about
10
10 minutes. They
yeah.
didn't say how long, so we're just gonna keep an eye on it. And
10-15 minutes.
these
We'll see.
should be ready, maybe.
Yeah,
I wish they gave like how long it would take.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Okay, it's been like 25 minutes and it's time to take it out. It smells really good.
Yes, that.
Well, obviously, it smells like Coca-Cola. Yeah, it just
And-
smells like Coca-Cola.
Okay,
It smells
let's
pretty
see.
good. Look at that.
Smells good.
This looks very good. And I love wings, so can't
Everybody
wait.
loves wings.
Especially me, at least. Wow, look at that.
Okay, let it cool down for a couple of minutes
And then we're gonna taste.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna put some onion.
These smell fantastic.
Let's taste to see if
Can't wait to taste. I also got the Coca-Cola we're using to make these. We just
Okay,
have
which
some
one you
spare.
want?
I'm gonna grab this one. This
Okay.
looks pretty good. And make your choice.
This one.
I can't wait to
Okay.
taste. Cheers.
Good. Juicy, right?
Very good.
juicy.
I'm gonna drink some Coca-Cola. This is probably too much Coca-Cola. This is really good.
Good recipe, right?
Now it's time to move on to the next hack. Now we're gonna do our second life hack.
Cake with
Coca-Cola. And it's gonna be super easy and super delicious.
We'll find out.
So we're gonna get our cake mix or whatever, and then we're gonna pour it into a bowl. Look at that.
Chocolate.
Now
Maybe, like
we're gonna add
let's
a
add
Coca-Cola.
like maybe 1 cup. Let's try with 1 cup.
I wonder how this is gonna work, like Coca-Cola. Yeah, I've never tried this before.
Okay.
Now we're gonna mix this with
Mix it. Okay.
Now remove your cake mixture into like a cake pan.
Yeah, just spray. Make sure. No, just spray, please.
First, lightly grease your cake pan. Okay, now you can add the cake mixture.
Okay.
Look at that. That looks good. And this is super easy. This is probably going to be really good. I hope so, at least.
We'll find out.
Wow, look at that. This is an easy cake. Not much. You just need 2 ingredients and
You don't put any eggs,
cake.
anything,
And then
any oil, anything like that.
this is so easy. It's just a quick chocolate cake. This is gonna be very good, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Smells really good too. Look at that. Okay. We preheated our oven to like 350.
350.
And now it's
Fahrenheit
time to put it in the oven.
And bake for about 30-40 minutes. We'll find out.
We will see you 30-40 minutes. Let's check our cake.
Okay.
I can't wait. It smells so good.
Smells delicious.
And
You know how
you
to
can
check?
tell if it's ready if you put a toothpick in your cake and nothing sticks to it.
Is it stick?
It's ready.
Let me see.
No,
Yeah,
it's ready.
nothing. Yeah.
So it should be ready.
It's ready. Let's cool for a couple minutes.
And then we're going to taste.
Yay!
I can't wait. Look at that. That looks really good. I can't
Time
wait.
to taste.
Wow. You just cutting through it. This is gonna be good. I already know it's gonna be good.
Wait, let me get I forgot to get. Let's
Wow,
taste.
look at that. It smells so good. I can smell it from my room.
Well, break a little bit, but
Still should be really good.
let's taste.
Wow, look at this. Taste. It's really chocolatey.
If you would put frosting, it would be even better.
This is really good. And this is so easy to make. So now let's move on to our third hack.
Yeah.
This is our third hack. And our other 2 have been successful, and hopefully this one goes good.
So what we need, empty bottle, and you have to peel off.
Very
Yeah.
gently, make sure, because you're gonna be using this later.
Like this.
Also,
And then you need chocolate, melting chocolate. You can use any kind. So we're gonna use this one just because we don't need a lot.
you can microwave it, or you can use a melting pot.
Yeah.
On the instructions on the back of the.
Look how cute. Good. Delicious.
We're just gonna add in the melting pot and we're gonna let this melt. But in the instructions of the bag, it says how to use a microwave, how to microwave it.
I think that's enough. You don't need a lot, right?
Now we're just gonna melt this. Let it sit and melt. Now our chocolate is fully melted. We're gonna put it in a ball to fully form a shape of a bottle.
It looks like this. It's fully melted.
It looks really good. I want to eat it.
That stuff works very well, Wilton.
Wow, look at that. That looks really good. I wish I could eat that right now. Is it? You think it's stuck?
No, it goes, but it takes time.
Look at that. It's just dropping. This might take a while.
Okay, let's pour it.
Look at that.
Looks good.
I just want to eat it really bad. It looks so good.
And you don't need to pour all the way, just need to
pour a little bit. That should be enough.
And then you're gonna start rotate.
Moving it.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Put the cap on, just make sure. I'm just gonna keep rotating until.
Just keep rotating.
Feel it, like hold it. It's cool.
It's warm, right?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool. It's very cool. Okay, so let's put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour.
Can't wait until it's done. It's gonna be really good. A few hours pass. It's now time to take it out.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my god! Look
It
at
looks
that.
good.
I've never seen anything like this.
Okay, so we need cutting tool. You can use anything you want.
And I'm just gonna cut off the bottle plastic. That looks like a hard work.
You break it. Oh my god. What should we do?
Oh man, it didn't work again. This is our second attempt.
Broken.
Still broke. And we tried a different chocolate.
Try it. Is it good?
Well, at least the chocolate's good.
I know.
At least.
So, this is waste of
Chocolate latte.
and
We
time.
tried 2 times, 2 different chocolates. None of them work.
No.
It just doesn't work. Now we're moving on to our next life hack. Our next life hack is to clean some rusty tools.
Yeah, we have rusty hammer, and we want to see if the Coca-Cola would help to clean.
The rust off.
Yes. Why are you shaking? My goodness! Why did you do that? Let's see if I can open.
I gave you a hard
I
time.
know, you always do that. Let's see. So just feel.
That should be enough.
Of course, because you want to drink, right?
That should be enough. Let's see if it cleans it.
Let me see. That's a little bit for you.
Let's see.
Okay, and no, you have to leave for 3-4 hours. So we'll see you in 3-4 hours to see if that hack would work with our hammer.
Look at this. It's been a few hours. Time to take it out. It looks like it cleaned most of the rust.
Yeah, it looks clean there.
So I think we would recommend this. Maybe
Yeah,
if our
if you
tool
look-
looked more rustier, but it looks pretty clean.
Yeah, it looks cleaner than it
before.
used to be, yeah. So that's life hack works, right?
Yeah, it looks good. Now we're moving on to our next life hack. This is our 5th life hack, and we're gonna see if Coca-Cola will get gum off my shoes.
Okay, let's see.
I hope this will work.
Yeah, because nothing works.
Okay, now take it off.
Yeah, close it.
I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Alright, it works.
Yeah,
It works really
works,
good.
yeah.
So I would recommend this life hack.
That's good.
This is our last life hack. I'm gonna see if Coca-Cola will clean the headlight because it's pretty dirty.
Yeah, it's very dirty.
So pour a little bit of Coca-Cola.
Okay.
It actually looks like it looks.
Yeah, it looks cleaner. You already.
So I
can
think
see
it looks. I think I would recommend this one because it looks more like you can't really see it too much. Now you can
Yeah,
see it really
more.
good. It looks. So I think I should recommend this one. It looks
Yeah,
really.
that
It looks
looks
more
clean.
clean. It looks better.
Thanks for watching. Please like
And
subscribe.
Bye.